6/3/21 crowd strike after hours. The low was 213.93. Today's intraday high was what? 220.54. The bid 220 by what? 221 in after hours market right now. They just came out with their quarterly report. I'm going to go ahead and find out what some of those numbers are. And once again, this is the knee jerk reaction, how you set trades up, and why you want to do what we do. And we will teach you all of this because that's what we're here to do. So on CrowdStrike, they beat by 24 cents. Okay. So they beat on the revs, but the guide, let's see what they guide. So they're going to give EPS above consensus, revs above consensus, and guides fiscal 22 above consensus, revs above consensus. Hey, you can't get any more perfect than that. That is exactly what we want to see. But the stock is not going up right here, right now, in the after hours market on this great report. What does that mean? That means that we are going to be buying CrowdStrike. We already had bought it I don't know, a couple weeks ago or whatever. But hey, listen, that is an excellent report. From what I just read, that would be everything you would want in a company. And it would be because that's just about as perfect as you're going to get it. And once again, let's just take a look and see where he's going to put that at when I get it back over here. So let me put it back over there on CRWD on the chart. This is exactly what they're doing with the chart in the after hours. There was the intraday, there was the low right there. This is going to be the top right here, okay? And that's up here at about 223. And now on this 1 minute chart in the after hours market based on an excellent report. Don't let just because the stock is coming down on such a great report keep you away from buying the dip because that is exactly what we're going to be doing. So that report that I read is as good as it gets. And we got upside guidance across the board. And you got everything that you would want because I just read it. And that's one of the best reports I've seen in a long time. Everything above consensus. I'm sure that the CNBC crew and Kramer and everybody will be talking this one up forever. Just because of the fundamentals should be appreciated. And fundamentals is what the big money will be looking at versus the after hours volatility on CrowdStrike. Once again, that is the print 218.50 by 219.55 bid and ask. So remember the lows today in this market tape was 213.93. So, but the stock, in my view, should be up another $15 now. I mean, look for higher prices moving forward based on this earnings.